What's the meaning of crystal set? Crystal set. Crystal set.
Crystal set. Crystal set. A crystal set, also known as a crystal radio, is a simple type of radio receiver that can be constructed using a few basic electronic components, including a crystal diode, a coil of wire, and a capacitor. The crystal diode rectifies the incoming radio signal, which is then passed through the coil to produce an audio signal that can be heard through headphones. Crystal sets were popular in the early 20th century and are still used today by hobbyists and enthusiasts. Despite their simplicity, crystal sets can receive AM radio signals with surprising clarity and sensitivity.